Preparation of colloids. See, in this we will study how we can prepare colloids or how we usually prepare the colloids. The first method in this is called chemical method. See, it's a method, basically we normally call it aggregation method. In this, particles of a true solution range are converted to colloidal range. So they will be aggregating together. And this aggregation is usually done by certain chemical reactions. That is why it's called chemical method. Now let us see certain examples. Like we know we can have ferric chloride, which on hydrolysis, this is the process, we call it hydrolysis, forms ferric hydroxide Sol plus HCl. So what we find in this case is, like, this one will be your 3. So 3, it is like this. Now it is balanced. So what we find is, by hydrolysis of ferric chloride salt, what we can get is ferric hydroxide Sol. These were there in the true solution range. The moment you hydrolyze them, they form the Sol. So it's an aggregation method. Another method is that yes, we can pass H2S gas through the sulfur dioxide aqueous solution. What happens is we get sulfur Sol plus H2O. It's an example of a sort of a double displacement reaction. Actually, what is happening is the sulfur from SO2, which is there in the +4 oxidation state, here it is -2, it is changing into 0. So this is what is actually is a sort of a redox reaction, in which what we find is the sulfur Sol is formed. Another example is, we can take arsenic oxide and through its aqueous solution we can pass again H2S gas. If we passes H2S gas through the arsenic oxide aqueous solution, what we get is arsenic sulfide Sol plus water. So this is again the same sort of a method. It's a displacement method. The sulfur has displaced the oxygen and we have got arsenic sulfide Sol. So these are the methods of the preparation of ferric hydroxide Sol, sulfur Sol and the arsenic sulfide Sol. There is one more method which is actually discussed in our syllabus. That's basically the preparation of gold Sol. What we can do is, here we can prepare gold Sol by taking Orium or gold chloride in presence of aldehyde, formaldehyde and water. Now when these three are mixed, what happens is a redox reaction takes place. Aldehyde reduces gold chloride to gold Sol, and it gets further, it itself gets oxidized to formic acid and it forms HCl. So this is a reaction in which what we find is that the gold chloride is reduced to gold Sol and the aldehyde gets oxidized to the formic acid. So this is the preparation of gold Sol.